In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer or migrate a Google Workspace account. The first thing you need to do is sign in to the Google Workspace admin console. Go to admin.google.com and log in with your admin account. Next, from the admin console dashboard, click on Data Migration. You'll usually find this under the Setup or Tools section. Once inside Data Migration, click on Setup Data Migration. Now, choose the type of data you want to migrate. After selecting the data type, enter the source account details. This is the account you're migrating from. Make sure the account has the correct permissions enabled to allow migration. Then, enter the destination account details. Click Start to begin the migration. The progress bar will show you how much data has been transferred. Depending on the size of the account, this can take from a few minutes to several hours. And that's it. Your Google Workspace account data will be successfully transferred to the new account once the migration is complete. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.